Good afternoon, all. Welcome to the final chapter in the shelf series. Welcome to the bunkhouse kitchen. So all I'm really going to do is put the shelves up and use my little straps, tough to see, and some little screws to hold my shelves in. So yeah, let the fun begin. Oh, and also, I'm not lazy. The light bulb's burnt out on the light, so that's on the projects list as well. I cut my other boards down. Nothing big, quick and easy. So they fit on the other side now. And yeah, should work pretty good. Okay, so I paused to go get my Irwin Quick clamps. You don't own them? Buy them. They're super handy. I use them all the time. What I can do is clamp these down. And then when I put my bracket on here, the shelf's not pushing up as I'm trying to run a screw. They're kind of in the way, but they'll work better than fighting with it. That's better. And I said before, DeWalt impact driver, best tool ever. Alright, one shelf done. Let's continue. Alright, one side done. And there we go. Pretty easy, pretty simple DIY, but yeah, that's about it. I got some cleanup to do. Thank you for coming by. Thank you very much for watching. And most of all, be sure to subscribe because that makes a huge difference in YouTube. Have a good one. Thanks, guys.